Where them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
मैं थोड़ी तेज आते हो बोला लाइफ कट
Big up to the one day.
Hottest thing from the London town. Don't really say too much, cause you know my money loud. 50K.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some viewers and subscribers, you don't know, so people. In this world, you know, you understand, we have lot of music around the world, my people, which sometimes we have to think, we have to wonder. Zin, alright, back over in the United States of America, people, we know the rap music, you understand, and when we talk about rap, people, we can't left out Biggie Small and we can't left out Tupac, because those are names that will live on forever in the rap music. You know what I mean? And sadly, we have to say R.I.P. to them. See? And for coming years, my viewers and subscribers, we have seen where a lot of rappers, top rappers, has lost their life in the same part. You know what I mean? Just like Biggie Small and Tupac. Some of them have lost their life, yes, pertaining to drugs, accident, and, you know what I mean, natural causes and things, my people. See? But my viewers and my subscribers, with this new generation coming around the world, my people, and rap music has spread. You know what I mean? So, in the depths of it, people, for a lot of people, they may know, but for some people, they're going to be surprised. Rap music has spread to over in India. You understand? So, when you have now to come to pass, people, where you would hear Indians are rapping in their Indian language and thing, and they are big. You understand? Going on tour in US, going on tour in Canada, and them place, you know, in Europe, big same we have big chain, do the gangster music with them gun and this and, but in their Indian ways, and even doing collabs, you know, a bit big. So now, I'm going to talk about a very deadly incident, my people, that occurred in India over in Punjab a few days ago. So, over in India, my people, I would say you have a rapper. The top rapper, basically, are one of the top, but top rapper who do a lot of collab with big artists and things, with even our Jamaican England sensation, Steflon Dan. You have done a collab with even a big song to my people where I'm spit him Indian part, performing and shows with Steflon Dan also, my people. You understand? So it's big because even she, right now, you know what I mean, up to date, is mourning the loss of this youth who was cut down at 28. So I'm going to give you some info now. So this youth now, my people, you know, the pronunciation of these names maybe sound weird, you know what I mean? But because they don't know this language thing, my people, yeah, it's really hard to pronounce them. So he's a rapper, my people, who them call now Sidhu Moosewala. Zin? And he's from over in Punjab in India. So this youth, my people, was assassinated basically May 29th, 2022, my people. See? So they say he was driving his big Jeep, my people, with another male in it. And when he reached a section over there, it was caught on camera footage and also, my people, you don't know. Man just pull up on him, my people, and wet him up. And he has received, them say, over 24 bullets to his body. Doctors over there, because they don't say India have some of the best doctors, my people, they try to save him. They try. But he never make it, my viewers and subscribers. He never make it. He is 28 years old. He's a rapper, my people. He's big. He was have a scheduled tour coming up for Canada and USA, my people, with a lot of different concerts in different states over in US and also over in Canada. See, as I tell you before, he has done collab with a lot of different artists, my people, big top artists. You understand? He's a man who have millions of followers, subscribers on YouTube, millions of followers on Instagram, millions of followers on Facebook, and millions of followers, you understand, on Twitter. He was well been known, my people. A lot of people know this man. See, he also, my viewers and subscribers, was affiliated with politics at the age of 28. Because he managed to run for a thing over there in India in the election and thing, people. Unfortunately, he never won. See, but he still affiliated himself with a political party over there in India, my people. So, back over in August 2021, my people, there was a popular male figure over there in India also, who was a leader basically in a some, you know what I mean? Because over India, people, they have a lot of different organizations, a lot of different groups when they come on to this and that, like youth, this and that, my people, a lot of different things there, my people. So this one was a leader of a strong one over there, my people. He was 33 years old, who goes by the name of Vicky Med Hockey Hira. Zine? So basically, my people, these two youth now, they use part of their name, you know what I mean, like their last name, to go with the community where they grew up, where they're originally from. So back over in August, my people, this youth was assassinated also, 2021. That's Vicky Medukira, yeah. And after he was assassinated, people, because him and this youth now, who is Sidhu Moosewala, so I tell you, who lost his life, my people, on May 29, 2022, my people, them did have beef, you understand, a riff. So after it happened, my people, it was suspected that this youth now, who recently lost his life, he and his manager at the time is responsible for the murder of Vicky Medorikira. You understand, my people? His manager fled India, my people. After that, he managed to fled and find himself someplace. You know what I mean? This youth, he managed to stand up strong. He managed to fight my people, and he never left India. Zane, yes, he do go to Canada back and forth and this and that, my people, and everything, you understand, living his life, same way posting on IG, chilling with his son, because I have a son who popular also, who have him Instagram page with almost 500,000 followers, you understand, and you know what I mean, living his life, posting with families, you know, doing his music, his gangster music, sending threats, and in his Indian language, people like beef and riff is going on, like he's saying, you know, scared, you not fear, posting with his guns, and this same like how you see those man act in the state, the same way, my viewers and subscribers, because when you see I'm covering a story like this, people, I do proper research, you know, when I'm telling about proper, you know what I mean, this research I take no 1 day, you know, 2 days, yeah, proper research. So, in the end, my people, there is some man over there, a man who is in Canada, my people, who is a gangster that is based in Canada, who call himself Goldie Brar. And he claimed, you understand? Yeah, because on Facebook, people, you go on Facebook and he claimed that he is responsible for the murder, the assassination of this youth who named Sidhu Moosewala. And he said it is a retaliation for the killing of Vicky Medhokihira. That's the 33-year-old, I'm telling you, my people, who lost his life in August 2021. My viewers and my subscribers. So, as I'm saying, and I go back to where I'm telling you about the history with rap. And you will just think that, you know what I mean, this thing, yeah. But people, the world is really crazy, you know. It's really crazy. This youth is 28 years old, my people. The youth who recently lost his life. And honestly, looking at his IG, my people, he was a gangster in India. He was a gangster. You understand? He was a thug, basically. But there's one thing about this gangster and a thug, and maybe he was thinking or praying that India made this or such and such. But as according to what they said, people, he was the one who was responsible for the death of the other youth in August. Seeing his manager at the time, people, close friend, run, fly out of the country, move. Them don't know where they. But him manager is still there. And I'm wondering, why is he so brave? Maybe him not pray him him head say, you know, I'm a big over here, so this is my place. Nothing not happen. But you don't know, people, this world is so corrupted. You understand? And you don't know that money talks. And if a man decides to pay a certain man such and such, my people, of course, it can reach right to your doorstep anywhere you're there. Anywhere you're there. So he's in his place feeling safe because a lot of people know him, they respect him, and he this and he that. But him not pray, so there's one person there who is hungry, who is dying, and would take anything, you understand, to feed himself and feed him family. No matter if I take out somebody 3 points because they don't care. You understand, my people? But I'm telling you, this youth loses life, my people. Steflon done, yes. She mourn people. She posts up on, you know what I mean, on her IG. A lot of different people who know him, they mourn the loss of him, people. Because this youth, you know what I mean? And I tell the people, his rapping sound good in Indian because I listen to people. And I was even watching him even before you pass people. So, because I'm a person who follow different music. I love listen to different music. I love typing music. I just love the research of people. So I know him, you know what I mean? Like, couple months ago I was watching him, you know what I mean, and when I saw the thing happen that he was cut down, you know what I mean, it was really sad. So in India, my people, you don't know what they do for their thing, Hinduism and stuff, my people. So he was, you know what I mean, cremated, you know, like shortly after, maybe 2 days after, my people, and his dad managed to put a river over there, you know, something was special because, you know, these people think is different, and they put his ashes in the river and thing, my people. So they're going to have like a memorial service or something like that coming up in June, I think June the 6th over there in India, in his hometown in Punjab, my people. You know, but still yet, a lot of people over there, big people are mourning, are saying, yo, they kill a giant. You know, a lot of people are saying you may take his life, but you can't stop his voice. A lot of people are saying legend never die, and they will post his picture with Nipsey picture and with Tupac picture. You know, a lot of people put it, because he was a fan of Tupac. He did love Tupac. You know, because he was saying like, he's the Tupac for India, you know, at the age of 28. And I tell you, he was a college graduate also, my people. You to educational, you know. Let's say him run for politics and think 28 years old. So, you know, he was a high favored youth over there. But looking into it, my people, if he do and is really responsible for or behind the death of another person back in August, my people, who is Vicky, well, people, honestly, he do, you know what I mean, he do cause it on himself, and you know this world go. You know what I mean? Today for me, tomorrow for you. You know what I mean? And it's eye for an eye situation. Because the person who they basically claim that he responsible for it, people, who's a gangster of people, you understand, who based over there in Canada, go the prayer and claim that, look at the man, I respond for this. And he's saying this is for the retaliation for Vicky Medwikira, because he was a close friend of this youth, Vicky, my people. You know? So, yo, the world is not normal. You know, we there Jamaica, we think about certain things with people, and we think about certain things in the US. But yo, there's so much going on in this world, and my viewers and subscribers. There's a lot I'm telling you. Some people for now, man, just big up on yourself, and my viewers and subscribers, and more love, more respect, and more blessings, man. And thanks to love and the support, my people. And it's just a pleasure and a joy to cover this story. Honestly, my man, I feel good covering this story right over. Not feeling good that somebody lost their life, but you know what I mean, people, when you can do your research and find these things and, you know, let the people know what's going on in the world and not just in Jamaica, it feels good. It's a joy, you know, it's a joy. Even if it's one somebody do watch it or see it, it's a joy to doing the research, because it helps build up my vocabulary skill, and that's what I try to do every day on a daily basis with people. You understand? And to get the world to see what is really going on, and, you know, what we can see the world be a better place. You know, that's what we want. So my people, thank you all, man, for the love and for the support, the like, the share, and the comments. And please remember to do subscribe. Thank you so much. And follow me on Instagram, NEWLINK Production, official attacking boss. Follow me on Facebook, my people, because a lot of these videos I have, people leave a video when they cut down this man. You can DM me on IG, and I will definitely pass it on to you. So it's more love, my people, and more respect. And again, thank you all for the love and for the support, man. I do appreciate it. Peace out, my people. Enough love. Big up. Attack.